What is going on, guys? It's your boy Brandon Ware back with another video on the 2000 S10 Blazer. Today we're going to try to fire it up. Yesterday, first video on the channel, we actually got to turn over a little bit, yet to post as of now. But today we're going to go ahead and try to jump it as the battery is shot, even though it is only a year and about 2 years old. We got a 464 Tech as usual. Got the Danger Ranger saving the day. This is actually not mine. This is somebody else's. He's letting me use it. What we're going to try to do, we're going to try to start it up. As this thing does have like 6-7 month old gasoline in it, so I'm not sure if it'll run. We got a mobile jumper kit here. We're going to try to use that. We got some tools and red paint because we have a dent in the back bumper. We're going to try to fix that up. Alright, first of all, I need to find some cleaning tools for the battery. If we need to, we might even hook up the truck to the battery to jump it. Although I'm pretty confident that this thing will end up running by the end of today, as it is, let's see, I don't know what time it is, probably about 2 o'clock. We have 3 hours to get this thing running. It has no brakes, so I'm wondering if my e-brake will work. If it does, I might drive it around. But, anyways, what you do is pop off the air intake. Oh, I better not undo that. Bump my head on it. We're going to try to take off the air intake, try to spray some fluid through it, and see if she'll kick over. We got some paint issues here, so we're going to try to fix that as well. But this is a pretty nice vehicle for $250. I got some door panel problems, but we have the keys. It's got power locks, power windows, and even power seats. So, got some of my favorite tires on it, Goodyear Wrangler radials. So, we're going to go ahead and try to get this thing running. Anyways, before we get to starting this thing up, what we want to do is start cleaning off the battery. Some battery cleaner and a wire brush, as well as some sandpaper to do a few other things with, because this thing needs worked on. Right now, we kind of got those, I don't think you guys can see very well, but we have those like side post things for the battery. You can barely see it down there, that red. But we have those on this one as well as the top hatch. So, what we're going to do is we're going to try to clean that off a little bit, because jump start does not like to work too well when it's dirty. So we're going to do that really quick, and we'll get back to you. 3, 2, 1. Boom. We're back. The battery is cleaned off. We have the jumper cables all hooked up. We need to turn this sucker on, so that way we have current. Battery status, oh, we're not so good, but oh well. We have a truck for a reason. Anyways, so right now, what we're going to do is we're going to try to fire this thing up. I have a spare key because my other key's on my chain. Ah, yes. Come on. So we got a little bit of an issue. Alright. Still at 2. Alright, let's shut off. Oh, that's not it. I'm sure there's a way we can shut off these lights. I mean, seriously, this is the first car I've ever had. So, don't mind me being dumb. Okay. Seriously? Alright, something's not working here. Alright, well, we're gonna work on this sometime. Catch you back in a minute. Okay guys, probably about half an hour to an hour later. Got some progress. Sorry we didn't get to film it, I had my hands busy. But what we ended up doing is taking the Monty Braun battery out, and we replaced it with something actually 6 years older that hasn't been on a charger for a while, but it actually works, and we have it turning over quicker than before, starting some starter fluid into the air intake, and you'll see what she does here. Watch this. Oh. Oh, she did run. Yeah, backfire. She runs though. It run for a couple seconds.
Like you blew it up.
If I blew it up, it would have been turning over a little bit wacky. I stopped and I was like,
all right then.
yeah, it wasn't even on the charger. It was, the terminals were plugged on the charger things, but it wasn't on plugged in. It'll run. We'll send it. I'm just gonna keep trying it. Keep trying. If we blow it up, we blow it up. Well, boys, after spraying some starting fluid in her, she's running on the 7th-month-old gas. It's the first time it's been fired up in 6 months. Look at that. All I need to do is bolt the air cover back on. Oh my gosh. Hey, Stan.
Keep running.
My miles per hour gauge is at 100 miles an hour.
Slow it down.
I can't. Anyway, guys, there you go. We're rocking 100 mile an hour, guys. Look at that. I think we got a few too many volts in here. I think that's why. But,
I think it's broke.
I don't think so, is it?
It's broke.
Yeah, I know.
Actually, you're running. Give me a second.
Runs just fine.
A lot of smoke coming out of there.
I don't care. Yeah, it's just water, it's nothing. It'll be fine. Hey, do you have a shop vac we can use to clean out the interior?
There's one up there in the garage right beside that saw.
Alright, hold on. Stan, that door doesn't stay shut. You gotta do something to it.
Looks like it's sagging down.
Yeah, the pin's broke in it.
You done with it?
Can't tell what that stuff is. Smoking a little bit. We'll figure it out soon enough. That does not sound right at all. No. Oh. You guys can see that, but right on the pan there, it's wet. Well, we're going to start it back up. We're going to try to figure out if that's actually spewing out or not, because that is not a good sign. Something I just noticed when I closed the hood is that my headlight is loose. I'd have to zip tie that back on. Meantime, starts right back up.